Hi, this is Mani from bsc to nsc.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about exit strategy for intraday trading, or how to use a stop loss, or because stop loss is the most discussed topic. And I personally do not use a hardcore stop loss in a loss making area. And I'll tell you probably how I approached my trading. So today I picked Asian Paints intraday to go long because I'll show you the Nifty futures chart. This is the Nifty futures chart, and the Nifty day open for futures is 7949 today, and you can find this in your trading terminal here in the market watch. Once you add Nifty futures here, you have the day open price here. So Nifty was trading above its day open price after 9:30 a.m. and I picked up Asian Paints, which started moving up nicely in the morning, based on my dashboard tool, which you can get from bsc to nsc.com. So this is the tool that I'm talking about. Of course, Asian Paints is not showing up now, but it was there before. I could have actually picked Dish TV, which was a better pick, but never mind. I picked Asian Paints. Now I entered Asian Paints call option because the budget I had today was less. Otherwise I would have probably gone long in futures itself. Now I entered somewhere here at 9:35 when it was at 719. I entered into the options contract 740 call. Now if you can see below, rather than going for a stop loss, what I typically do is I watch the RSI. And this is a 2-minute chart, and 2-minute chart is relatively better than 5 minutes because you get signals ahead of time. Now here what I do is, in the morning the lowest RSI that you can see on the right is 40.66, which happened pretty much during the day open time here, the pointer that I'm showing here now, here. Okay, and then after I entered, what I do is I exit if the lowest RSI for the day is broken. Now the lowest RSI of 40 is a pretty good sign because 40 means that the stock has always stayed at an RSI of above 40, which is actually a bullish sign. And I will exit Asian Paints if the 2-minute RSI breaks below the RSI of 40, which means that the stock is beginning to lose momentum. And you can see here it started to come down, and the RSI also came down here, but it came only to 42. It didn't exactly breach the 40, and the stock started moving up, and the RSI also started moving up. So I can pretty much hold in intraday as long as the RSI momentum keeps up. So rather than keeping a stop loss or watching the price, if you're looking at the price, then it can give you, it can always confuse you. So before you enter, you make sure you're picking up a high momentum stock in the morning which has a higher lower RSI, meaning which has always had RSI on the upper side. And if it breaks below the intraday lower RSI point, then that's your exit point. So go ahead and book losses at that time, whether it's options or futures. And unless it breaks this RSI, you can continue to hold. Then you have opportunities to make more profits on the upside. So ideally in this case, what we're trying to do is we will try to limit the losses by doing this. And there are times wherein you can make huge amounts of profits, which may be 5 times the amount of losses that you book, or even more. So eventually, even if you have an accuracy rate of 50% in picking up the stocks, you will eventually be in profits. So that's the idea here. And again, I'm stressing that probably choosing a stop loss based on the price is probably not a good idea, because it's probably going to hit that price sometime and again go up. So rather keep an eye on RSI, and if the lowest RSI point is broken, then you can look to exit. And any comments, anything, post on this video as usual, and I'll get back to you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.